reading an article here that really ups the stakes in the battle in the state of Florida for the presidency, November 3rd, 2020. Tom Trento here, and it's the 18th of June, yesterday, the 17th. Joe Biden went on record saying that ground zero for his campaign is the state of Florida. Biden seeks to beat Trump by winning in Florida, 29 electoral votes. He understands the polls have him ahead, and he's making a play saying, I will go to the presidency through the state of Florida. Well, we understand that Donald Trump knows the importance of this state. He's moved here. He has an organization here. He moved a convention here. But as we've seen over the past 3 weeks, when the Democrats control any city, there's complete chaos and corruption and social breakdown and insanity. If you want this to continue for 4 years, then on November 3rd, 2020, vote for Joe Biden. But I know the patriots of America don't want that. The solution is what the United West has been working on for 2 years. Mobilize a group of 1 million conservative Christians to vote. It's the only way we're going to get past this apocalyptic moment in November. Go to our website, please. We need your help. Join up with us and be part of our team and help donate to have our campaign of mobilizing these Christians to defeat Joe Biden here in the state of Florida and bring home the victory for Donald Trump. That's the objective. That's the goal. Please help us. Donate. Join with us. Let's save this state. Let's save this country.